1964 Ford F100 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Underneath the hood, 390 V8, paired up with a C6 automatic transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front end. Chrome on that bumper looking good. Bright work on the grille, headlight bezels. Yellow exterior, black interior. We're going to get around to the interior, start it up. Let you take a peek underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive as usual. And as far as pictures, you'll be able to see those at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Hankook. Radial tires, steel wheels with the Ford center cap and beauty ring. Cool classic old combination. Take a look down this passenger side. Couple little bubbles down here below. Paint has a nice shine to it. A few touch-ups here and there. It's one of those trucks. Get in it, turn the key. Go have some fun, local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, parades. Tonneau cover and a bed liner, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. See some interior pics, underside pics, like I said. And then, of course, you'll also see the bed in with the still pics. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Does have a forward opening hood. I'm going to kind of show you the hood both ways when we pop that to look at the engine bay. A lot of service work has been done to this too. Does have a newer battery in it, new rear wheel cylinders, and rear axle seals. Coolant was recently flushed and has been replaced. New valve cover gaskets. All four tires are new. Brakes are 70% in the front, 80% in the rear. Dual exhaust, 3-inch dual exhaust actually, with headers, Flowmaster mufflers. It's a good sounding truck. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these old Ford trucks, no matter what year, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. And when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. Just a couple scuffs, a couple little bubbles down below. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. All right, there's a good look at the door panels. Seats have been recovered, obviously. Vinyl cloth combination, seat belts. Looks like an I Did It style column, tilt column. New carpeting on the floor. Some aftermarket gauges, look like VDOs. Retro sound style stereo, AM, FM, that is working. Power antenna going up there also. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, first of all, let's go to the stereo. Scoop that out of the way. Is the stereo working?
One TXLP Classic Rock.
All right, gauges what do we have over here. Check oil pressure. That's working. Battery, voltmeter working. Fuel gauge. Looks like that's working. Tach. And temperature gauge. That was a cold start, so I won't expect that to be up very far. Nice throttle response. Holley 4-barrel on it. Door closes nicely. Let's listen to this. Sounds like we got a mild cam in that 390. bit of a low B idle. Let's go ahead and get this hood open. I want to show you that. Check out the engine bay and then stick around. Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride, if you will. All right, so this kind of has a dual hood. So you can see, looks like it opens like a typical hood front opening, but as you can see by these brackets, this will fold forward, so it's a forward tilting hood also. So I'm going to go ahead and tilt it forward. I just kind of wanted to show you, it'll kind of sit in both positions, just so you know. So let me go ahead. I think I can do it with one hand too. Actually, this thing works pretty darn slick. Got a couple rubber stoppers. Let me lower it to right there. Sorry, all you could see was yellow. There it is. So it comes down with some of these rubber stoppers. Stops before getting the bumper or anything. So how about that? Kind of cool for a car show if you want to show off the engine bay. Aluminum radiator. Edelbrock 4-barrel down underneath there. HEI ignition. There's the battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. 390. Power steering, power brakes. Paired up with that C6 automatic transmission. Ready to roll. 1964 Ford F100. Number to call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a very cool, very yellow 1964 Ford F100. Looking good, yellow and black. Nice billet dash piece for the gauge mounts. We have a tonneau cover on the back. This is an automatic with a stick shifter on the floor. So it's easy to drive for anybody. Digital radio in the dash. Listen to that nice rumble. Sounds really good, drives really nicely. The radio does work. Very responsive steering, very responsive brakes. The wipers work, the blower motor switch right here also works. The speedometer is showing 50 miles an hour. That does appear to be right. Our oil pressure about 60 psi. The fuel tank has a quarter of a tank. The volts are charging just under 14 on the gauge. Tachometer also working nice and low. It says 1500 RPM at 50 miles an hour. And the temperature gauge still warming up, approximately 140. Very nice soft cloth in the seat. Carpet looks like new. Headliner nicely finished. Definitely feels like power brakes. Very easy to brake and smooth. Power steering as well. Corners the way you'd expect for a 64 Ford. And the kick down working on that automatic transmission. Nice firm shifts the way you want. Our turn signal indicators working as well. Nice aftermarket steering column. Find all the pictures and all the details of this 64 Ford at uniqueclassiccars.com.